Good morning, this is meteorologist John Wentkamp with the National Weather Service in La Crosse, Wisconsin, and here's a look at your winter weather briefing. Bitter to dangerous cold wind chills are occurring across the area this morning. There are a variety of winter weather headlines in effect. There are wind chill advisories and warnings for this morning with bitterly cold wind chills of -20 to -40. Snow moves into the region late this afternoon into this evening, and winter weather advisories and winter storm warnings have been posted for this snow that will impact the region. The snow moving in this afternoon will create travel impacts, especially for the evening commute. The road conditions will deteriorate rapidly, especially over southeast Minnesota and northeast Iowa, where snowfall accumulations of 5 to 7 inches are expected over northeast Iowa, with accumulations of 2 to 5 inches across portions of southeast Minnesota into southwest Wisconsin, and then snowfall amounts tapering off the further north you go. Also, bitter to dangerous wind chills, not just today, but we'll have slightly improved wind chills here today, and then the bitterly cold wind chills move back into the region late tonight into Tuesday morning, and then these periods of bitter to dangerous wind chills will continue through much of the week. Expected snowfall for this afternoon into tonight, looking at anywhere from 5 to 10 inches across Iowa, generally 2 to 5 inches across southeast Minnesota into southwest Wisconsin, 1 to 2 inches over west central Wisconsin, and then amounts tapering off to less than an inch into northern Wisconsin. There will be significant impacts to travel late this afternoon into this evening, especially across northeast Iowa and southeast Minnesota into southwest Wisconsin. Here is a visualization of what we should see on the radar this afternoon as the snow moves into the area. Snow approaching the Interstate 35 corridor by 3 p.m., just edging into northeast Iowa. And then by 5 p.m. this afternoon, snow will become heavy at times across northeast Iowa, and the snow will now advance, at this time will advance into southeast Minnesota and portions of southwest Wisconsin, impacting the evening commute. The snow will continue into this evening, heavy at times across northeast Iowa, and that snowfall will continue to impact the region into the mid to late evening hours, and then will finally exit after midnight tonight. So snow will spread into the region late this afternoon and evening, with snowfall rates of 1 to 2 inches per hour possible in the heaviest snow. Snowplows could have trouble keeping up with these higher snowfall rates, especially across northeast Iowa. Plan on the road conditions deteriorating quickly, and there will be significant travel impacts to the evening commute. So after this snowfall impacts the region, there'll be periods of bitter to dangerous cold from late tonight all the way into next weekend. Plan ahead for the travel impacts this afternoon and evening, and dress appropriately for the cold the rest of this week. Thank you for listening.